Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you a simple and effective way to log into Instagram without needing your password. Welcome to our channel. Accessing Instagram without a password can seem tricky, but there's a straightforward method you can follow step by step to regain access easily. First, open the Instagram app or visit the website. On the login screen, instead of entering your password, tap or click on the Forgot Password link. This option will guide you through the recovery process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address, phone number, or username associated with your Instagram account. Make sure to enter it correctly to receive the recovery link. After submitting, Instagram will send you a recovery link or code via email or SMS. Check your email inbox or messages for this communication. Once you receive it, follow the link to verify your identity. Sometimes, Instagram may ask you to verify your identity through a code or by confirming your account details. Follow these instructions carefully to proceed securely. After successful verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a secure and memorable password to protect your account. Finally, use your new password to log into Instagram. This method ensures you regain access without knowing your old password. Remember, this process works only for accounts you own or have permission to access. Never attempt to log into someone else's account without authorization. We recommend enabling two-factor authentication for extra security once you regain access. This step will help protect your account from unauthorized attempts in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials and tips.